You can take a vitamin B12 supplement or consume fortified foods such as plant-based milks, cereals, and nutritional yeast. Third, pay attention to your protein intake. While it's possible to get all the necessary protein from plant-based sources, it's important to ensure that you're consuming enough of it. Aim to consume protein with every meal and snack, and consider using protein powders or bars to supplement your intake. Fourth, consider working with a registered dietitian who specializes in plant-based diets. A dietitian can help you create a meal plan that meets your nutritional needs and ensure that you're getting all the necessary nutrients for optimal athletic performance. Finally, be patient and give your body time to adjust to the new diet. It may take a few weeks or even months for your body to adapt to a plant-based diet, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Conclusion. In conclusion, vegetarian and vegan diets are gaining popularity in the athlete community for their performance, health, ethical, and environmental benefits. Plant-based diets can improve recovery time, heart health, and provide all the necessary nutrients for optimal athletic performance. If you're considering switching to a vegetarian or vegan diet, make sure to eat a variety of plant-based foods, supplement with vitamin B12, pay attention to your protein intake, and consider working with a registered dietitian. With the right approach, a plant-based diet can help you achieve your athletic goals while promoting overall health and wellness. Meatless eating has grown steadily in popularity in recent years, and athletes are no exception. An increasing number of professional and recreational athletes are adopting vegetarian and vegan diets. This shift is driven by a variety of factors including health, ethical concerns, and environmental sustainability. Protein needs can be met. One concern some athletes have about going meatless is getting enough protein. However, plant-based sources of protein like legumes, whole grains, nuts, and soy-based foods can provide all the protein an athlete needs for muscle growth and recovery. Tofu, tempeh, edamame, beans, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, nut butters, seeds, and hemp products all pack a good amount of plant protein per serving. With some planning, vegetarian and vegan athletes can consume enough protein to fuel their workouts and performance goals. Health benefits. Meatless diets tend to be higher in nutrients like antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support athletic performance and health. Vegetarian and vegan diets are also typically lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can be beneficial for heart health. Studies have found that vegetarian athletes have lower body fat, lower blood pressure, and lower rates of cancer and chronic disease compared to their omnivorous counterparts. Many athletes feel that a plant-based diet gives them more energy and improves their recovery between workouts. Environmental concerns. Climate change has become a growing concern for many athletes, and some are adopting vegetarian and vegan diets as a way to lower their environmental footprint. Producing meat requires considerable amounts of land, water, and energy, making animal agriculture a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and pollution. By reducing or eliminating meat and animal products from their diets, athletes can help lower their carbon footprint to support a more sustainable planet. Ethical issues. For some athletes, removing meat from the menu comes down to ethics.